This is Biscayne Supercars coming to you live from the Seminole Hard Rock Casino in Hollywood, Florida. We are here for the Gumball 3000 kickoff. As you can probably hear in the background, you hear all those engines revving. So of course, we're gonna see some wild exotics out here. See some Bugattis, some Porsches, some Ferraris, Lambos. See some Vets, see some McLarens, you know, the McLeases, that SLS. See everything in the background behind me, looking beautiful, crazy looking cars out here. It's a good turnout. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I know this is the initial day for the Gumball 3000. They're starting out in Miami. I believe they end in Mexico. So that's always a fun event. Just happy to be down here, able to come down here and enjoy the cars like everybody else. You know, Yo 10, Yo City. You hear that Trick Daddy in the background, letting y'all know where we at. So let's go ahead and check out some of these beautiful cars right here. See all the beautiful cars out here. A lot of Lambos, a lot of... Got that big boy double.
Oh, sick. If you get tired of that.
Bentley Bentayga. Porsches on Porsches on Porsches.
Never felt a touch like this before. So divine.